Imagine waking up and realizing your business made money while you slept. No calls, no emails, no meetings, just systems, quietly running themselves. This isn't a future prediction, it's already happening. Across industries, artificial intelligence is transforming how businesses operate. And the most successful founders aren't building bigger teams, they're building smarter systems. For decades, growth meant hiring. More people, more departments, more meetings. But AI has rewritten that equation. Today, a single creator or entrepreneur can manage what once required an entire company, powered by 5 intelligent systems. Together, they automate marketing, content, sales, customer experience, and finances. And when connected, they form what I call the A.I.R blueprint. Automate, integrate, reinforce. Let's see how it actually works and why this model is becoming the new foundation of modern business. The secret to a self-running business is simple. Replace tasks with intelligence. AI doesn't just automate, it learns, it observes patterns, adapts, and improves with every cycle. That creates what's known as the automation flywheel. Data comes in, AI analyzes, output improves, new data returns, and performance compounds. When tuned correctly, your business begins to operate like an organism, where AI acts as the brain, coordinating everything in real time. Let's break down the 5 systems that make this possible, and how they connect to form a self-sustaining machine. System 1. The Smart Marketing Engine. Marketing that thinks for itself. AI tools like Meta's Advantage Plus, Jasper, and ChatGPT now handle targeting, creative generation, and A/B testing automatically. They track performance, rewrite copy, and optimize ads overnight, all without human input. This is self-learning marketing. System 2. The Content Production Pipeline. AI has become the new creative assistant. From writing to editing, it allows creators to produce consistent, on-brand content at scale. Video editors, thumbnail generators, and even scriptwriters now operate as one continuous pipeline. Publishing faster than ever before. It's really like creating at the speed of thought. System 3. The Automated Sales Layer. Meet the AI closer. Chatbots, recommendation engines, and voice assistants can now sell in real time. They detect buyer intent, personalize product pitches, and close transactions while you're offline. It's pretty amazing how all of this happens seamlessly, even while you sleep. System 4. The Customer Experience Matrix. AI-powered support isn't just reactive, it's predictive. Systems like Intercom AI and Zendesk Intelligence learn from every conversation. They can detect tone, prioritize tickets, and even resolve issues before users complain. The longer they run, the smarter they get. System 5. The Adaptive Financial Core. Your AI CFO. It manages cash flow, tracks expenses, forecasts revenue, and detects anomalies automatically. Using platforms like QuickBooks AI, Notion AI, or custom GPT dashboards, founders can make data-driven decisions instantly. Consider Lena, an e-commerce founder who replaced her entire operations team with AI integrations. Her marketing, customer service, and finance now run on autopilot. In just 6 months, her profits tripled, while her workload dropped by 80%. Or, take Alex, a solo creator managing multiple brands. Using AI scheduling, voice generation, and analytics, he now produces 10 times more content, with 0 staff. These aren't isolated cases. They're honestly the early signals of a global shift. From people-powered to intelligence-powered enterprises. This is only the beginning. Experts predict that by 2035, nearly half of all small businesses will be AI managed, with humans acting as creative directors, not operators. In this new economy, advantage won't come from manpower, but from machine intelligence. The next decade will favor those who master integration early. And those who don't will find themselves running, while AI-driven competitors scale effortlessly. The AI business blueprint isn't about replacing humans, it's about replacing friction. 5 systems, 1 unified brain, each automates, integrates, and reinforces the next. forming a self-sustaining cycle of growth. That's really how ordinary creators are quietly building extraordinary autonomous businesses. You've just seen how AI can make your business run itself. Next, discover how one-person startups are scaling into fully automated companies. So, go ahead and watch the next episode and see what the future of entrepreneurship really looks like.